Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we'll be discussing the best wireless keyboard of 2024. The Logitech MX Keys S wireless keyboard is an excellent option for those looking for a sleek and reliable wireless keyboard. Its advanced backlit keys offer precise and comfortable typing, allowing for improved productivity and efficiency. The keyboard's design is both elegant and stylish, with a slim and low-profile build that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Its customizable and adaptive lighting system adjusts to ambient lighting, making it easy to type in any environment. The MX Keys S wireless keyboard also features a convenient USB-C charging port, with a full charge lasting up to 10 days. It also allows for easy switching between devices, allowing users to seamlessly switch between typing on their laptop or desktop computer. Additionally, its enhanced compatibility options, with the ability to connect with multiple devices using Bluetooth or the Logitech unifying USB receiver, makes it a versatile and convenient option. Overall, the Logitech MX Keys S wireless keyboard is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, sleek, and convenient wireless keyboard that offers top-notch performance and functionality.